How to buy Zcash privately in 6 steps. Download the Zashi wallet. Create a new wallet and write down your seed phrase. Buy USDC on Coinbase or any exchange you use. Think of it as digital dollars for this transaction. Open up Zashi and tap More at the bottom right corner. Then tap Swap ZEC with near intents. This tool makes the whole process private, cheap, and fast. Trust me, it's worth it. Zashi asks for a refund address. Go back to Coinbase, copy your USDC receiving address. Paste it in the box. Easy peasy. Now generate your brand new private ZEC address. Copy that bad boy. It's your only way to access your funds later. Go back to Coinbase or any exchange you use, hit send. Paste that address into the receiving box. Choose how much USDC you want to send out. Hit send, boom. Come back to Zashi and tap Funds have been sent. Give it a moment while the network processes everything. Once done, your ZEC shows up in your wallet. Fully private, no trace, nobody watching. Now just confirm the transfer by tapping Done at the bottom right corner. That's it. Your Zcash is now fully yours, private as ever. No KYC, no third parties, nothing but you and your coins. That's what freedom looks like. So if you found this helpful, drop me a follow. If you know someone who needs more control over their money, share this video. Let them know they don't need permission to own crypto. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on staying secure online. And remember, knowledge is power.